Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the rare unboxing that I never done before. So this one is the motorcycle helmet with the visors. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So my son purchased this from a friend. So I think it's about 270 something out of door with the tax and everything and shipping. Anyway, let's go and then unbox it and check out the helmet. Hopefully the invoice is not in here, so let's see. So yeah, it's upside down. So here's the product number and product descriptions. Unit 11. And this is the AGV. So let's go and then open it up. So I come with the dust bag, and this is the visor. It's tinted 80% size N. I don't want to scratch it. So there's a plastic peel that you can peel it off. Come on, check out the helmet. Got the AGV tag right here. Some of the instruction, and then come with the padding, sticker. Come check it out. So it comes with a clear existing visor, and then you flip over here. Also a ventilation hose right here on both sides. You can flip open. Pretty cool. And then right here on the mouth. Pretty cool looking helmet. padding. And come with the strap. Well, let's go and check it out the inside real quick. It's a foam by the ear. Not really. So you might have to remove the visor to change it out. I'm not sure how to do that yet, so let's see. So it should be easy. The tab right here, two of the tab. Probably depends on a certain position you pop it in. Or you put this downward and then pop out the tab right there. Yeah, you pop this out. And you do the same thing on this side. Put this down. Oh. I don't want to take it out yet. Okay, yeah, so yeah. Put this down. And then gang the visor up. Oh, I'm going to do it on both sides. So you put it down. And then you yank the visor up to release it. And now I can pop it out. Cool. So I'll go ahead and pop the 80% tint in there. So it's kind of hard to see since this is tinted. Okay, now it's in. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Pop the top in first, and then bottom, press down. Nice. Oh, there you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always. Peace.